You guys, I keep forgetting to get a picture of everybody up here in the mornings or video, but we just got through with morning announcements, and then everybody will be coming back. I'm doing a 12:30 class on my favorite apps, and then Frugal RV Gal is going to be doing a cast iron 101 for Dutch oven and cast iron cooking, because we have a cast iron cook-off tomorrow. But I forgot to get a group picture this morning. But this is day 2, and I'm just so excited, and we have so many wonderful people here. Part of what I do in the morning announcements is toward the end, I ask if anybody has any wants and needs, or if anybody is giving away anything or has anything that they think they can help somebody out with. And this morning we had somebody that was stuck, and we had some other things that came up, and everybody just jumps up and says, I can help with that. And it's just like family, and I'm so proud of everyone. And hopefully I will remember on day 3 tomorrow to get a group picture. But stay tuned. You're going to see all of the classes and everything today. And tonight we have potluck, and then a campfire, and then dance night. Okay, so Jana cooked cherry turnovers this morning for everybody in her new little oven thing she bought. She came up early and started the fire, and so thank you, Jana. They are delicious.
Oh, cherry turnovers up here. Very good.
Okay, so there goes Rob. He is making the rounds all around the entire campground, picking up firewood and things that people aren't able to bring to the carry up here themselves. What a guy. And I also want y'all to know that that purple sheet is this list, and so when the class is over, please don't go take pictures of it while I'm talking. You can, I don't care, I'm just kidding.
I love to cook over an open fire. If you don't have a fireplace, I do cook on my oven or my stove in my RV. So I use my oven and stove just like I would if you lived in a house. This is a 10-inch Dutch oven.
So right now it's between classes and the potluck. There's Penny, Frugal RV Gal's camper, and we have the whole pavilion to ourselves. And we just stayed up here. We thought, why are we running back and forth from our camp to here? And so Jenna just stayed parked up here, and we brought the stove out, and she's making, are you making taco soup?
Yeah, and I almost did that in the wrong pan.
Uh-oh. She's making she's making taco soup for the potluck that we're gonna have this afternoon. And my friend Al dropped by while I was doing my apps class right at the end of it. And he was just passing through, and what a treat that was. And we're just having such a blast, everybody. I just, gosh, so many wonderful people. I'm so blessed. Bless you. What are you trying to tell Mama? What?
Where?
What's over there?
You want to go home?
What's over there? What time is it, Sammy? What time is it? You think it's time to eat? Did I? You act like you're hungry.
Are you hungry?
And Bandit says, so am I. I'm hungry too.
You go home? You go home and eat?
Oh, this is awesomeness. Okay, Penelope, why are you Penelope tonight?
Well, I'm from Flintstone Villa, away, and so I thought I'd come over and visit my neighbors.
Oh, well, we're so glad you're here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Be careful driving your rock car home.
Oh, thank you. I just started driving not long ago.
This song is for Greg. So